This gap terrifies me right here. It's big, man. It's full commit into it. That's a big jump. I love it.
It's so hard. No.
Dude, you came super hard. Dude, the first one, I went to, he did the left, I went to the right, and all I hear is dunk. So bad. It's taken me a lot of tries to try to get through this thing, but I'm glad I got it. Hope you guys are enjoying the video, man. And not a lot of talking as always in these things because I just want BMX to be in it. But so I'm here at Riveter, which is south of Asheville, North Carolina. I came this weekend to go visit some family and to come ride this thing. And it's a blast, and I'm glad it's covered because it feels nice out, but with the shade, it's like perfect, man. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying the video. Let's continue on with the line here, and hopefully I get it better. That outside line is big, though. Woo. guys, I'm done. That's it. Been here about 4 hours and I'm exhausted. I had fun, man, honestly. 25 bucks is a little steep though. I wish I was able to do the black line and the double black. Well, actually not the double black, who am I kidding? The double black is meant for like 29-inch bikes. It's not meant for me. I saw a couple guys eat it hard. One dude just left, I think he went to the hospital. But the black outdoors is big and it made me nervous, like the big like drop in from like the little bridge section. Wasn't about it, so wasn't feeling it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I know I'm ending it exhausted. That's how I'm ending the video. I'm ending the video exhausted. I'll see you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.